Noise is everywhere. I bet there is a place on Earth where you can't hear anything. I live in the city, so noisy is very. Sometimes it gets to me. I really want to have custom to turn this not off. It's amazing how much noisy there is around us. We usually never ever think about it. Listen now to the noisy around you. Cars, computers, music, people talking. It's strange to think that in the past few decades, people have been talking about noisy pollution. That's a really good description. Noisy equals often pollution. It's just that makes our surrounding unpleasant. I wonder if there is any kind of noisy that is good noisy. The very word noises has a negative meaning, but if you say so, it has the different meaning. I love the sound of babies laughing.